AP Environmental Science students. In today's screencast, we're going to continue talking about Chapter 5, which is Biodiversity and Evolution. All of today's notes are based off of Living in the Environment, the 16th edition, by Miller and Spoolman. So Chapter 5, Section 2 is fairly short, and it discusses how natural selection can reduce competition between species. Some species develop adaptations that allow them to reduce or avoid competition with other species for resources. So the main topic of this section is resource partitioning. And resource partitioning occurs when species competing for a similar scarce resource evolve specialized traits that allow them to use shared resources at different times, in different ways, or in different places. So we have these finches or warblers down here. And if you can see from the image, these warblers all focus at a different part of the tree. So no two species are actually eating the same areas of food. So they're all specialized for whatever portion of that tree that they're focusing on. The other major topic here is evolutionary divergence. And this occurs when organisms start with a single ancestor, and due to the availability of various resources and natural selection, they've diverged into many different species. So here's the finches. There's an unknown finch ancestor, and then over time, because there's different food available, in this case fruit and seeds and insects and nectar, their beaks have evolved to look different. So they can eat their different foods, thus making them different species. So if you check out this picture, none of my finches actually look the same anymore, but they evolved from one common ancestor over a long period of time.